All right, welcome to the Power Breath tutorial. Now this is a game changer. It was for me and it will be for you if you utilize it. So the first thing to know is that strength is a skill. And when you have that skill, you benefit yourself more. You lose weight faster, you build muscle faster, you build dense muscle, so it's not like big, bulky muscle that's not very effective. It helps to push out toxins so that your body feels more clean. It brings in energy and it brings in nutrition through moving your blood. And you just get stronger faster. So this will take your exercises and make your results 5 times faster. So the way to do it is we're going to utilize this in our exercises. Okay. So the way that the technique is it's got 5 different pieces to it, 5 different parts. We're going to exhale, and then we do a root lock, which is a Kegel. So Kegel, and then we're going to do a sniff, like that, just a sniff. And then you hold your breath and you squeeze. And you're going to bring the bottom of your sternum and your pelvis together a little bit. So you're creating tension in here. While make sure you keep that Kegel, okay? And then you're squeezing the arms, the back, the butt, everything, the feet all the way down. Now, some people have problems with like prolapse or hemorrhoids, especially mothers, postpartum. And part of that is because, and even bodybuilders, because they're pushing so much tension here, but they're not locking that energy up. So what we're doing is we're containing the energy with that root lock. And this will help you on your fitness and vitality journey to keep prolapse and hemorrhoids from happening and help heal them while you can still exercise. So let's go through it one more. Oh, you already have it on video. So those are the 5 parts. Exhale, root lock, inhale, contract, and then exhale and squeeze hard. Okay. Now we're going to use it in exercises like this, for example. So if I'm doing squats, I'm going to go squeeze, 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 pull down, squeeze your muscles. Do another power breath. Squeeze and up. Okay, so lots of tension using the power breath. And then another way is, say I'm doing push-ups. We'll say pretend these are on the ground, but so I go exhale, root lock, inhale, squeeze. Exhale, root lock, inhale. Sometimes you can just do one for, a whole push-up or a whole squat. But, whatever you need to do, just don't pass out. Okay, let me know if you have questions on this. This is a game changer.